Picture a planet so close to its star, the surface boils into oceans of lava, while the far side remains frozen in endless night. This is no science fiction fantasy. Astronomers have discovered worlds like this, real planets locked in eternal firestorms and shadow. Our journey takes us 260 light-years from Earth to a star named WASP-76, where an extraordinary planet defies expectations. The planet in question is WASP-76b, a gas giant unlike anything in our solar system, bigger than Jupiter with deadly extremes. Like our moon facing Earth, WASP-76b is tidally locked, forever keeping one face turned to its brutal, scorching star. This unchanging exposure creates violent extremes, 100–300 degrees on the dark side, causing iron vapor to condense into rain. On the daytime side, temperatures soar above 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize metals and split molecules apart. Here, winds exceed 10,000 miles per hour, ripping metallic vapor across the atmosphere from one hemisphere to the other. That vaporized iron travels from the oven-like day side and condenses as rain on the cooler night. An endless, metallic monsoon. WASP-76b is locked in this hellish rhythm. Scorched seas, boiling storms, and metal weather cycling across its alien world. But how do we know any of this? The clues come from starlight, filtered through the planet's atmosphere during transit. Using spectroscopy, scientists detect specific elements, like iron, sodium, and calcium, trapped in the planet's atmosphere. These readings paint a vivid portrait, a gas giant wrapped in metal clouds and battered by supersonic winds. In 2020, astronomers using the Very Large Telescope detected vaporized iron in WASP-76b's atmosphere, evidence of the planet's fiery nature. But this isn't the only inferno world in our galaxy. Many hot Jupiters orbit close to their stars, tidal locked and turbulent. These gas giants were once distant worlds, but migrated inward through gravitational interactions with other planets or the star itself. Pulled into tight orbits, they are trapped by stellar tides, doomed to spin once every orbit, with no sunrise or sunset. This eternal half-day, half-night creates an environment where atmospheres churn violently, redistributing heat in strange and alien ways. Despite their extremes, hot Jupiters offer a unique window into exoplanet weather, chemistry, and planetary evolution itself. WASP-76b is more than an oddity. It's a glimpse into the forces that sculpt planets across the galaxy. Some believe iron rain could shape the landscape over time, forming exotic deposits never before seen in nature. On the night side, these bizarre mineral compounds might blanket the surface in glistening metal frost. Imagine standing there, clad in thermal armor, watching burning iron clouds race across the horizon, a storm unlike any Earth has known. Of course, no human could survive here. Temperatures such as these would vaporize most metals instantly. Even the land is molten. Its star, WASP-76, is slightly hotter than our Sun, fueling the inferno with more ultraviolet radiation than Earth's skies ever see. This UV light may play a role in breaking apart molecules, driving chemical reactions unique to these fire-racked worlds. Even though WASP-76b is incredibly hostile, its strange chemistry might mimic early processes in Earth's ancient atmosphere. Some researchers wonder if similar worlds could host exotic life in their dim twilight zones, balancing between fire and frost. The twilight zone is the narrow region where temperatures may be just low enough to allow stability of complex molecules. But life as we know it? Unlikely. The radiation, pressure, and heat floors most biological potential. Still, WASP-76b tells a story far grander, how stars and gravity sculpt unimaginable diversity from stardust. It challenges our assumptions of what planets can be, blurring the line between stars and solid worlds. With space telescopes like James Webb, new layers of WASP-76b are coming into focus. Its chemistry, clouds, and metallic mysteries. Recently, JWST glimpsed the day-night boundary in more detail, where winds shift and clouds disappear into even stranger phenomena. There, clouds may form and vanish in minutes, driven by rapid heating and screaming high-altitude winds. We are witnessing weather from a different universe, a dynamic, unimaginable engine sculpted by physics alone. For planet hunters, WASP-76b is a treasure, a benchmark for extreme climates, critical for testing planetary models. It unlocks the deeper truth. Planets don't just orbit. They evolve, react, and seethe with energy we've barely begun to understand. Each hot Jupiter is a living experiment in nature's boundaries. Too hot, too fast, too furious for stability. And yet, through their chaos, they offer clarity, illuminating how planets live and perish in the fires of creation.